Welcome back to another Get Ready with me. Today I'm going to share all kinds of LaColors new products. So excited. And I do want to address, I have been doing a lot of similar looks lately, but I'm just loving coral and peach right now, and I cannot help myself. We're going to be using, like I said, new LaColors. First off, we're going to start by priming our lids with the LaColors eyeshadow primer. I picked this up at Family Dollar. This is the LaColors Frisky eyeshadow palette. I got it for $5. We're going to be using that beautiful, cool toned kind of peach shade. It's a creamy peach shade and it's matte. We're going to use that in the crease, and I'm using that on a fluffy crease brush and really blending it and buffing it into the crease. And I'm going to take that light pink shade, it's a shimmery shade, and I'm going to apply that on the lid. Really work that color on the lid there, patting and sweeping it on, and blend. And we're going to go in with this beautiful orangey red shade, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner and slightly bring it into the crease as well, patting that to get max color payoff. And another thing I was super impressed with is this palette. Not only are the eyeshadows really pigmented, but there's almost no fallout with this eyeshadow palette. So surprised. Anyways, we do a little bit of blending. I'm going to bring that crease color in there, and I'm just going to buff over it. And we are almost done with the eyes. They are so super simple. This could even be classified like a beginner's look as well. Now that shade there is the highlight shade in the palette, and it's kind of a goldeny cream shade. It's beautiful. And I use that to highlight the brow bone and blend down the other shades. To warm that look back up, I am blending that matte creamy peach shade in with the highlight shade. We're going to be using the Physicians Formula 2-in-1 Eye Booster eyeliner pen to create a very thin strip of eyeliner at the top. Nothing special, just regular old eyeliner. Of course, we're using that Milani Stay Put eyeliner to tightline and to halfway line the bottom. Now, I picked this sponge up for $2. This is their blending sponge. It's really soft, it absorbs a lot of water. It almost grows 2 times its size. So far, I'm really loving it. Now, this is the new foundation. This is the LaColors Radiant Foundation, and I have the first shade in Ivory. And I did pump out way too much there because this foundation is actually really good. It has decent coverage, and you can definitely build it. It's like a medium coverage, but you can build it to full coverage. And it was $4 at Family Dollar. Well, I just buff that in, patting it, buffing with the beauty sponge from LaColors, and I really like the sponge. Also, I want to point out while we're applying our foundation that it's like a regular like beauty sponge, and then it has like a beveled side to it as well. You might not have picked it up on camera, but there is a slanted side to it as well. It's kind of smaller than most that I've seen, but I like that. I like that you get that sponge and that beveled edge as well in the same sponge, because I like the beveled sponges. And here's that foundation. I really like how it looked. It matched my skin tone very nicely. I built it up on my cheeks so I didn't have to use any correcting concealers, and it lasted all day. I had no problems with this foundation. It's been 90 degrees. It's really great. Now I'm just doing under eye concealer and moving on to the rest of the face. This is the LaColors Pressed Powder in Beige. Yes, this is almost an entire LaColors video. And like I said in my other video, I've really been loving applying powder, pressed powder with the wet sponge. I like how it looks, so I'm just putting clear brow gel throughout my brows now that I have my rest of the face foundation set and stuff. And LaColors pressed powder and tan to contour with. Very quickly, something light and easy. We're going to be using the LaColors Peach Rose Blush. This blush is beautiful. Well, one of the prettiest ones that they have, and could work with any skin tone. So beautiful. And we're using the LaColors Candlelight Highlighting Trio. We're using that beautiful pink shade there. It's so pretty. These highlighting trios, if you have not picked them up, have not found them, go check your Dollar Tree. They're amazing. You will not believe how good they are for $1. We're just hitting all them highlighting areas there so we can glow. Now, of course, we're going to blend them out so it don't look so harsh. But see what I'm talking about? Those highlighters are super good. And we're applying shadow. The shadows that we applied on the eyelids to the lower lash line. So that beautiful orangey red shade. We're taking the creamy peach matte shade and we're blending out the edges around it. And then we're going to apply that beautiful goldeny highlight to the inner corner as well. I'm really happy with how this look came out. It is so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. So simple and easy too to pull off. It really makes my green eyes pop as well. We're using the LaColors Wowie Lash Mascara. This mascara does take a minute to build up, and it just creates like a basic everyday kind of lash. Nothing dramatic. It does give a little bit of separation and definition, but it's really nothing special. It's just okay. I still use it though because I do like it for that. And here's another new product, the LaColors Setting Spray. This did help extend the wear of my makeup, and like I said, it did last all day in 90-degree heat. So there's the finished look. It's so beautiful. I just love how it come out. And the lip we're using is also from LaColors, and it's from their new metal line, and it's the Lipgloss in Spicy. Isn't that gorgeous? These are long wearing lip glosses. If you've not tried them, definitely do. That's all for this get ready with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Always find my videos helpful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more get readies with me.